What is up, fellow diecast aviation collectors? Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome video for you guys unboxing this Northwest Airlink by Aero Classics. So without further ado, guys, let's get it open. I just purchased this off eBay. I think I paid about, I can't remember, I think I paid about 40 bucks for it. Pretty good deal here. I do have a bunch of these coming from 3D Design Tech as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm like trying to recreate my my home airport of Minneapolis. So as you guys can tell, that's what I'm doing. Once I get more MSP parts too, I'm going to showcase Delta, Northwest in the bowling shoe livery, of course, and also in the, I don't quite know the correct name for it, but the more of the silver livery. So 2006, 7, 8 livery, you know how that goes, guys. But anyways, let's get this open and let's go take a look. With the packaging here, you guys can see, here it is in the box. Looks like it's in excellent condition here. I think, like I said, I think some guy was just selling it on eBay. Seemed like an older gentleman from everything else he was selling. And yeah, so benefit to me. Like they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure, but this ain't really trash. This is a perfect collector's item here. So check it out. Let me get a zoom in here. A little bit dusty here. We'll definitely do some cleaning up on it. Very happy to have this though. I never realized like Aero Classics was like so big. I guess I've seen them since I first ever started collecting, but they make a lot of good models. Make or made. Wow. Look at that. I remember flying on this as a kid, guys, out of MSP. Let me just turn this around here. I don't want this thing is really delicate. Sorry guys, I've had a lot of coffee. I'm shaking. Look at that, guys. Northwest Airlink here. I don't even think it says the right. So it's the F2. Look at this thing, guys. So this is the F-27, November 275MA. It's definitely a lot older of an airplane, but still will showcase this at my airports. So with that being said, I do have what I have coming from Aero Classics are different. They're different aircrafts, but still going to be really cool to showcase these all together. Like I said, I got to clean it up a little bit, but definitely an iconic plane. Many other people see like collecting different things. I'm on the hunt basically to collect as many bowling shoe livery Northwest planes as possible right now. So that's kind of where I'm at, guys. So you see me getting a bunch of the classic Northwest planes. We're building a giant MSP right now, guys. That's what we're doing. So it takes time, but we're getting there. So lots of details from the top here as well. If I zoom in too much, it may not focus, but let's see. Yeah, this thing's pretty dusty, so we'll have to dedust it. I don't know what's going on with the window there, but landing gear looks to be pretty well intact, so that's good. Well, awesome. I think that's pretty much all there is to see of this. Got propellers on the front too, looks like. That turn is what I mean. So that's pretty awesome, but you just don't want to break them off. These things are so delicate. I want to thank you guys again for joining me one more time, Model Airport Nation. Thank you for coming to my quick video of the F-27 Northwest Airlines bowling shoe livery. Again, I'll be getting more Northwest Airlines bowling shoe liveries in the near future here, guys. So just stay tuned here. A lot to come soon. Until next time, guys. Happy collecting.